Hello students, in previous video we have learnt how to use the identity a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we will do its reverse. In this question, factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. In previous question we have done the expansion, and in this question we will do the factorization. So it is the reverse of the previous one. If it is in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, it will be equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So same is here. Now 4x square is 2x whole square, 9y is 3y whole square, and 16z square is minus 4z. How to choose the negative one? If you see some are negative sign here, minus 24yz minus 16xz. Product of x and y is positive, that is 12xy. It means x and y will be kept positive and z will be negative. If all terms are positive, then no need of negative sign. If some sign are negative, then we have to choose which product is positive, that will be kept positive, and one will be kept negative. So here xy product 12xy positive, it means x and y are positive and z will be negative. So how we can rewrite it? 2x whole square plus 3y whole square, z is to be negative, plus minus 4z whole square because negative whole square will be positive, plus 2ab, 2 into 2x into 3y, plus 2bc, 2 into 3y into minus 4z, plus 2ca, 2 into minus 4z into 2x. And you will also check that this product should be equal to the given expression. 2 into 2x into 3y becomes 12xy. 2 into 3y into minus 4z becomes minus 24yz. 2 into minus 4z into 2x becomes minus 16xz. It means it is okay. So this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here a is 2x, b is 3y, and c is minus 4z. So it becomes 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square, and its factors 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. What are the factors of a plus b whole square? A plus b into a plus b. So this is the way how to factorize a polynomial of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Let's take one more example. Factorize 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. Here if we check the given expression, product of yz positive, it means yz should be positive and x should be negative. 2x is the whole square of minus root 2x plus y square, and 8 is square of 2 root 2. 8 is square of 2 root 2. So it will be 2 root 2z whole square. So here a is minus root 2x, b is y, and c is 2 root 2z. It is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into minus root 2x into y, plus 2bc, 2 into y into 2 root 2z, plus 2ca, 2 into 2 root 2z into minus root 2x. If first step is clear, the whole question can be correct. If product of yz positive means y and z should be positive and x is negative, and we will also select 2 is the whole square of root 2, 8 is the whole square of 2 root 2. It becomes minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square, and its factors minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. Write the same 2 times. Factors of a plus b whole square are a plus b into a plus b. Clear? Now some more identities. A plus b whole cube. Earlier we have learnt a plus b whole square. Now we will learn a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Similarly, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Now do some questions based on this. Expand the following. 2a minus 3b whole cube. If you look at the form, it is in the form a minus b whole cube. It will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So a will be replaced by 2a and b will be replaced by 3b. Not with minus 3b, it will be only 3b. So 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 2a into 3b into 2a minus 3b. Now open it. 2a whole cube is 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18ab multiplied 2a minus 3b. 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. In this way, we can apply a minus b whole cube. So what is a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Next question. Expand 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now it is in the form a plus b whole cube. So it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here a is 3 by 2x and b is 1. Apply it. 3 by 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. It becomes 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus 9 by 2x multiplied 3 by 2x plus 1. 27 by 8x cube plus 1. Now do the multiplication. 27 by 4x square plus 9 by 2x. Now arrange the terms in descending power. 27 by 8x cube plus 27 by 4x square plus 9 by 2x plus 1. So I hope you are able to apply the identity a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So today you will try question 5, 6, 7 of exercise 2.5. Thank you.